Hey everybody, this is Beck, and I'm a maker of music. And like the great Sun Ra said, space is the place.
And I'm Farah. I work at NASA and I use AI to explore Mars.
And I feel almost like I could draw a picture of the galaxy now, just from going, like anyone can do, just by working with the NASA websites and going through the archives. Like the AI was then able to take that and recognize colors that were happening a lot, recognize shapes that were happening a lot. I remember when it first showed us what it thought Saturn looked like, I was blown away.
Yeah, and even then, seeing these images and getting all the info, it is overwhelming, isn't it? I mean, we're talking about other worlds, we're talking about other realities we probably won't ever get to experience in our lifetimes. This is the closest we'll come to touching the unknown. This project is